Hi everyone, this is Rubal. I am a home baker. I was planning to do a live baking since a long time. So me and my son, we decided to give a surprise today to everyone. So I decided today to do a special cake for you. It's an eggless thandai cake. So here it is for you. Okay, this is 100 grams of butter. I have measured everything and kept here on the table. So now you will put 200 grams of condensed milk into it. Everything is at room temperature. Now we will whisk it with the electric beater. Whisk it for a minute at least. Now we can see butter and condensed milk is well incorporated. Now we will put in 1 tablespoon of sugar into it. And whisk it again till it becomes light and creamy. Now we will put in all the dry ingredients. This is 125 grams of maida, baking soda, half TSP baking soda and 1 TSP baking powder. First we will mix it and then we'll whisk it. Mix first so that this doesn't blow up all the way on all the sides. Now we will put, this is thandai powder which I have just made at home a while back. I will give you the recipe of it. Now this we have to put 4 TSP. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I will give you, or I'll do a video again for the Thandai powder. You can make it at home. And this is 100 ml of water. I have measured everything and kept it here. Look at the mixture, it looks so creamy. It is well incorporated, all the ingredients smell wow. Now I have lined it in here with flour and oil, or you can dust with butter. You can use either butter and flour, it's your choice, up to you. I am doing in a bundt pan. You can use any kind of pan. Very easy and quick eggless Thandai cake. A wholly special cake for you all. Now we will give it a little tap. So that it becomes a little even in all the sides. Now we will preheat the oven. Look here. Now we will preheat the oven at 160-degree temperature for 10 minutes, and we will bake the cake for 30 to 40 minutes depending on your oven, the temperature your oven takes, for 35 to 40 minutes at 160 degree. For this homemade Thandai powder, what you have to do is you have to take half cup of almonds, half cup of cashew nuts, 1/4 cup of pistachio, 1/4 cup of melon seeds, kharbuje ke seeds, 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of khaskhas, 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder, then 1/4 cup of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoon of cardamom powder, that is elaichi powder, 1/4 cup of dry rose petals, and saffron. Saffron is 1/4 tablespoon, that's it. I have dry roasted everything and churned it in the mixture, and here it is. Now we have demolded the cake. See, it looks delicious. Now I have made a mango glaze, amul cream and white chocolate. Now we will put a little glaze on top. You can also use a saffron glaze according to your taste. It absolutely depends on your taste. Now we can garnish it with rose petals and pistachios on top. I repeat, I have made the glaze with Amul cream and chocolate, white chocolate. You can use either mango chocolate or you can use a mango essence if you don't have. Isn't it great, guys? Okay, now let's cut a piece and see. It is absolutely soft, freshly baked. Now let's lift and eat. Now who wants to eat?
Me.
Please bake and eat. Send me the pictures in the comment. If you have any problem, if you have any queries, please do message me in the comment section. Also, all the ingredients are uploaded in my YouTube channel, Rubel's Cake World. Thanks to my son who is doing the video for me. It's been a pleasure. Please subscribe, like my videos. I will be doing lots and lots of live videos now. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.